This legal battle over the Texas DREAM Act is more than just a policy dispute. It's a fight for educational equity. At the heart of the controversy is a ruling that keeps the door closed on a program designed to help undocumented students afford college. Let's break down what's at stake here. In a pivotal decision, a federal judge in North Texas refused to allow certain organizations to challenge a ruling that blocks the enforcement of the Texas DREAM Act. This law, which has been in place for over 2 decades, grants in-state tuition to eligible students without legal status. But now a court has stopped it from being implemented, sparking fierce debate. The groups fighting to keep the DREAM Act in effect argue that students face imminent harm if they can't access affordable education. Without the program, tuition costs could skyrocket, making it impossible for many to complete their studies. However, the state of Texas and the U.S. government opposed the motion to intervene, claiming the arguments were legally futile. Judge Reed O'Connor agreed, stating the proposed intervener's case had little chance of success. But here's where it gets controversial. The judge's decision ignored the real-world impact on students. While the legal merits of the case were debated, the immediate consequences, like tuition hikes that could trap students in cycles of poverty, are often overlooked. And this is the part most people miss. The law was never meant to be a political tool, but a lifeline for those who've contributed to Texas's economy through hard work. The Texas DREAM Act, the first of its kind in the U.S., passed with bipartisan support in 2001. Over 24 states have since adopted similar policies, believing they promote economic growth and social equity. Yet the current legal battle threatens to undo years of progress. Advocacy groups like the ACLU of Texas and the Texas Civil Rights Project are pushing back, arguing that students deserve the same opportunities as their documented peers. Meanwhile, colleges are scrambling to comply with the court's order. Some institutions have already stopped offering in-state tuition to undocumented students, raising concerns about fairness. But not everyone agrees. Critics argue that the ruling undermines the principle that education should be accessible to all, regardless of immigration status. Cassandra Gonzalez of the Texas Civil Rights Project explains, "The judge focused on the legal odds, but we're fighting for the real people affected. We need to ensure no student is left behind." She's working with advocates to help students avoid misclassification, even as the legal system grapples with the broader implications. As the case moves forward, one thing is clear. This isn't just about a law. It's about who gets to dream big. What do you think? Should the DREAM Act be adjusted to better support undocumented students? Share your thoughts in the comments below.